Okay, we're now on step A2, and we're going to do A 2.1 and point 2 all in the same video. We're going to make a chart for the revenue, and we're going to go with the recommended chart, which is the line chart. And we'll get into other things to do with the chart later in later videos. So um, the points that we're going to be using, if you go up to the top and go into charts, we're going to, in this one, if we ever get kicked out of the chart, we can get back into it with Control Alt 5. We can escape to get out of whatever level that we're in, even out of the chart itself. Just escape gets us back to the spreadsheet. And if we want to select, make changes to the chart once it's selected, it's Control. And once we're inside there, we use Tab to go to sections, or arrows to select elements. In fact, I should yellow this to select elements into the chart. And then it's also going to open up a side panel. And if we ever get out of that side panel, we need to get back into it. It's to circle around to the different parts, including the side panel. It's F6. It doesn't always go directly there unless you were just before it. It's kind of like the tab, Alt Tab going to the next section of Excel. I'll show you how to see that. And then if we ever want to close the side panel, it's Control Space, and then a menu will open up, and the word close will be one of the options, and you'll see that the C in that close is underlined. In other words, we can hit the C key and that will close it. And yeah, and we can actually move the chart. It might not initially be where we want it to be, and we can move it with arrows. So going to Excel, I'm going to go Control Home to get to the always cell A1. That's a quick way to get to A1. I forgot to tell you that. And then I'm going to arrow over to the first year. I'm going to hold down Shift. I'm going to go across to select all the years. Now in this case, revenue is right beside the years. How convenient. So I'm going to still hold that Shift down and down arrow to select all my data. Now, if I hit Alt, that will open up all the menus, and I want Insert. And you'll see that the letter N is by Insert right here. So N. And then the recommended charts is R. And the very first recommended chart here is the line chart, which is the one we want. Notice that the OK button in the bottom right is blue line, so hit Enter to accept it, and there it is. But it's over my data, so I want to move it with arrow keys. About there, and I'm going to go down there. And the green plus you see is the up here is what will happen. That's what when I hit Control, it opens that up. Now it sometimes will open on the right or the left depending where there's room. But let's say that I accidentally got out of my chart. Let's say I hit Escape, Escape, and I'm out of the chart. If I want to get back in, I can go Control Alt 5 to get back in. And now I can hit Control again and get back to that menu. And that's how to work so far with the chart.